pile of wood is for construction on that. You saw the unbeatable base video. It was in that. It was in kind of in that stage. That base was reinforced with a lot of stuff, and then even built a roof on it. But then the massacre took it down.
And now it's physically impossible to get in there. Like, watch this. Come over here. Lawrence. Over here.
So
You see it? You see the most invincible wall?
It's so
The first one I finished.
like I can't get in. What the? Who made this thing?
Me.
So invincible.
I put, look, so I can't exactly tell you all of this logistics just in case someone is watching this video. Right here, look. I'll show you this. The bamboo is what reinforces it. But even if you take a bamboo out, it's still reinforced. That's just one of the reinforcing parts. And you got a slip wall, but here's a bush wall. It covers most of it. We gotta make it higher, but and here's the wood piece wall. If you don't necessarily see it, but if you look in, there's wood. Here we have a lot of weed.
Wow.
So I'm just knock that down. Okay. Like weeds. What we call hay? You know, for hay highway. And then we got the sticks, some thorns, and we got more hay, wood pieces. Don't know if I got those. Definitely a house. No. Hey, what are you doing?
What?
Okay. And then I got more wood there. Then I got this one, the first door. Well, basically that's the fridge of the massacre. The fridge door.
Impossible.
I got new weapons. Basically, no touching. There's your luck.
Dude, man.
Fridge door. It's good for attacking. Even though I never have to do that. And then I don't know if it's an emergency, but
This fridge door that we found is very solid on, like, right here. And I once kicked it for some reason, and my toe still hurts from that.
wait, what?
A little bit.
Okay, and then here's the last remnants of the old roof. We still got some fishing wire. So what was up? It was on this stick, which goes don't even know where.
But also, if you stand about right there, that used to be part of my room from the old fort. So that part is still a remembrance of
With the
our
rock
old fort.
and the other rock
Yeah, those
and the table
were execution
and more rocks.
Rocks where we would throw glass bows and stuff. There's some bricks on it. To break them.
Blooper for our next video. Here we go.
Goodbye.
No, don't go by. We gotta do more stuff.
Ah, dang it! So, if you want to go inside this thing, you're going to see a lot of cool stuff, just so you know. Okay, I don't know why I had a weird voice. So this is the treasury of the bases. Yeah, looks kind of dirty to me. And then that is the treasury part. And then these bags are used for storing those dried up weeds. I don't know if they're like, I'm pretty sure they're weeds. I don't think they're grass. Then this is another fridge door. I think it's like a door to like a freezer or something. Came back from that thing. That is what it looks like on the inside. Just so you know. Then that, I like to sit on it before Ben got it all messy.
What did I do?
You got the thing dirty! Or was that the massacre that did that?
Yeah, I think it was.
And then that tarp was used for the roof.
And it will be used for the future roof.
Yep. And that wire right there, what Ben said was the last remembrance of the roof, came from that thing, which as you can see was slid through that thing. Then this chair is used to sit on. Now really, that chair is broken. Then this thing is a lot of thorn bushes that are dead now.
Actually, there's still this string right here where it's on the roof.
Oh yeah. True that right there. With duct tape, put it together. It's a weapon, even though we don't use it. Considering that now it's dead, it's actually good because then it'll stick into you. That chair is broken, like I earlier said. And then that boot, I have no idea why that boot is here. Then there's that tray. I don't know. I think Ben brought it down here, but I don't know why. Then there's that thing. Pretty sturdy. We can use it for defenses. So yeah. That is the fort. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.